Yes, sir.
How does the drone help with recovery?
Oh, great. And so the drone helps with recovery in a few different areas. One, we've had them before where it's in the trees and nobody is seeing this because there's all this yaw pond, but I can actually see down in there and I can guide somebody. I can just call somebody, be like, hey, yeah, keep going, go. No, if you're off to the right, and I can just walk them right in. And so then we can pull them out and get pictures with it. It's what the place I really love it is in your coastal fields, or also like now since we're doing so much more corn property, in basically so in your ag properties where if I want to get that animal out of there, so that way either the buzzards don't like knock down this huge swath of their crop, or they don't find it with a cutter later. And then it destroys their cutter, destroys their combine, whatever it is. Like, cool, we want to get these out of here. And, yeah, we get that good, solid, hard lung hit, but it's going to run off however far it goes and dies. Rather than following a blood trail, if you can send THUD up in the air. My daughter named this THUD because she loves acronyms, so it's Thermal Hunting Utility Drone. But also, I've crashed it twice, so THUD fits. Yeah. But if we can send THUD up in the air and find it for us, man, you just saved us a whole bunch of time. Yeah.
Cool. And then it's just going out there on the golf cart?
It depends. So obviously then we come up with the game plan. Because is there a creek between us here and there? Is it all muddy between here and there? Is it like actually on the road? Because then yes, we are. But yeah, now we know exactly where it is, and we just come up with that game plan and go recover it from there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. You don't recover in my place.
If it's underneath one of your feeders, we move them. Yeah.